Yeah, I think, the continuous negative press articles, rumored power struggle and so on, I think it all didn't help. Also internally, among employees, So I think, this move, I hope, I'm sure it will help restore some confidence and calm down things, which I don't really think were helpful.
Just on the legacy, we're already trying to figure out whether Tidjane did a good job turning around Credit Suisse. Steve has pointed at the share price performance as an indication that no, he shouldn't be celebrated by the market. But when you look at the numbers, he has improved the quality of the earnings stream. What do you think the ultimate verdict will be on his tenureship?
Yeah, no, definitely. I think the 4 billion of costs he took out over the tenure are clearly important in terms of having improved the profitability of the bank, obviously from a very low level, into a more satisfactory, still not great. I mean, returns are still below what you would expect cost of capital. But still, I mean, having taken out the 4 billion in terms of costs obviously improved the profitability. And I think this is obviously one thing we should think of.
Andreas, I want to ask you about the chairman, because there's been a lot of reporting in the press from some of the major shareholders that they have all rallied around the likes of Tidjane Thiam. For instance, you've got the Harris Associates crew, Silchest International, US hedge fund, Eminent Capital, three big investors all calling for support for Tidjane Thiam. Now this announcement today doesn't feel as though the waters will quieten down, that there may still be calls for the chairman to leave.
Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, very explicit support statements we had over the last few days from these major shareholders. So I'll be interested to see what happens next. I think Severin Schwan, the lead independent director, being quoted with saying the board has been unanimous in the action. So this is a clear sign, and they fully support the chairman, it's totally against the statements of these large shareholders. So yeah, we'll see what happens next in this regard.
Andreas, by all measures, it still trades, well, by many measures, it still trades at a discount to UBS. But I'll park that line of inquiry for the moment. Does the departure of Tidjane Thiam, for you, draw a line under all potential legal issues surrounding surveillance, or actually do you think this is another negative which is hanging over the stock which can't be dispelled?
Yeah, legal issues, usually, it's very different in Switzerland than, let's say, in the US, where you potentially face, in certain cases, large fines. This in Switzerland is not, it's not a tradition, to face large fines in legal issues. So from a financial point of view, it's not really a big risk, I would say. However, I mean, the big thing is clearly reputation. Because as long as you are in negative press, basically on a daily basis, if you want, this is clearly an issue of reputation. And I think Credit Suisse itself mentioned when they were talking about the surveillances and so on, that the reputation had been harmed very clearly.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.